This is gonna be my go-to wig forever. Like, literally forever.
See the stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you. I see the things that you saw me dreaming about, then I had a hard time.
Okay, so I'm gonna fix this, of course, or try to, because it looks like I used too dark of a shade. But for now, I'm going to cut.
Paranoid no more. I got my own stability. See the stars, see the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you.
So it's a little more flat. So now I'm going to just wet it everywhere.
See the moon. I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me.
Okay, I'm back. And you can see my lace is a little too dark. So I'm gonna take some translucent powder. This is Laura Mercier.
I watch the universe together with you. It's written in dust, so for a lifetime. It's not enough for me to be with you. I see the things that you saw me dreaming about, then I had a hard time channeling that out, finding the solution for my insecurity. If it's not meant for me, it's not my responsibility. Was looking for love, but found my own tranquility. Paranoid no more. I got my own stability. See the stars.
Okay. So I put like a bunch of random braids. I really like it, especially because I can take this on and put it back, you know, take it off and put it on. So it's gonna be like my braided wig, you know. This is so cute. I'm gonna put so much more. I just wanted to come and show you guys. But yeah, I just randomly put, oh, and I did like a little twist too. Wait, let me see. I don't know if y'all saw Tiana Taylor. She had a vibe. She had like these braids, dreads. I don't know, there's a lot going on, but that was a vibe here. Like, it's just like exotic, bohemian. I'm gonna put like a way more. But yes,